The first one is appearance. Covering should be gives a pleasing appearance. It should be produce a desired color effects and the architectural beauty. Flooring of terrazzo, mosaic, the tiles and the marbles gives a good appearance. Cleanness. The flooring should be capable of being cleaned easily, and it should be a non-absorbent. It should have the effective resistance against the absorption of oil, grease, etc. Cost. The cost of the material should be in the conformity with the type of building and its likely use. Floor coverings or marble etc. are very costly and may be used only for the residential buildings. Damp resistance. Flooring should offer sufficient resistance against the dampness so that healthy environment is obtained in the building. Flooring of concrete, terrazzo, mosaic etc. are preferred for the purpose, while flooring of wood, rubber etc. are preferred for this purpose, while flooring, wood, rubber etc. are not suitable for the damp conditions. Durability. The flooring should have the sufficient resistance to wear, temperature changes, uh, disintegrations with the time and the decay, so that a long life is obtained. From this point of view, flooring of marble, terrazzo, concrete etc. are considered to be the best type. Fire resistance. This is the more important for upper floors. Flooring material should offer sufficient fire resistance so that fire barriers are obtained between the different levels of a building. Hardness. It should be hard so as to have resistance. Indentation marks, imprints etc. likely to be caused by the shifting of furniture, equipment etc. Maintenance. The flooring material should have the required list maintenance. However, whenever the repairs are required, it should be as such that repair can be done easily with the least possible expenditure. Thermal insulations. The flooring should offer a reasonable good thermal insulation so that the comfort is imparted to the residents of the building. Sleepiness. The surface of floor should be smooth, but at the same time it should not be too slippery. Type of flooring. It order to have a pleasing appearance to this upper surface of the floor. The various materials are placed on it. It is used to provide it for a ground floor. The material used for a floor finish or the floor coverings or floorings etc. The granulatic finish, mosaic, the ceramic, the marble, polished granite, industrial floorings, wood or timbers, the asphalt, the glass, the linoleum flooring, clock, rubbers. So the first one is granulatic floor finish. It's an industrial building hard wearing surfaces in sometimes required. This can be achieved by the applying the granulatic finish over the concrete topping. The topping consists of 1:2:4 proportion of cement concrete, that is 1 part of cement, 2 part of fine aggregate and 4 part of aggregates. Let to be a desired thickness, one single operations in the panels. Alternate panels are laid first prior to laying the concrete in the panel. A cast of neat cement slurry is applied. This cement slurry is laid in a rough finished between the course, ensure proper bond of the topping with the base course. Granulatic finish consists of a rich concrete made with very hard and tough quality coarse aggregate graded from 13 mm ISU. The concrete mix proportions varies from 1:1:2 or 1:1:3 for heavy duty floors to 1:2:3 for public buildings. The thickness of finish may be minimum 25 mm with the lead monolithically with the top concrete and 35 mm when laid over the hardened surface. However, for the public buildings such as the school, hospital etc., thickness of the finish may be 13 to 20 mm. The mosaic flooring. The mosaic flooring is made a small pieces of broken tiles of chains glazed or the cement or the marble arranged in a different patterns. These pieces are cut to desired shape and sizes A concrete base is prepared as in the case of the concrete flooring. The base course of concrete flooring may be 7.5 to 10 cm thick, either in learned cement concrete or lime concrete containing 40 percentage mortar of 1:2 lime and sand 60 percent coarse aggregate of 40 nominal size. The base course is laid over the well compacted soil, compacted properly and labeled to rough surface. It is properly to cured and the over a 5 to 8 centimeter thick lime surki. Mortar is spread and labeled over an area which can be completed conveniently within working period, so that the mortar may not be get dried before the floor is finished. On this 3 mm thick cementing material in the form of the paste of 2 parts of flake and lime.